Coronavirus is still troubling people across the world. The most recent and most dangerous variants of coronavirus is said to be Delta variant. In this video, I'll give you a brief account of this new variant of coronavirus called Delta variant. The WHO, World Health Organization, has named the different variants of coronavirus as Alpha, Beta, Gamma, Delta. The different variants of coronavirus are named using Greek letters like Alpha, Beta, Gamma, Delta. The most recent one is the Delta variant. This is the first variant, Alpha variant, which appeared in United Kingdom. All viruses evolve over time. A virus reproduces, replicates, it makes copies, and when it is copying itself, it makes some errors, it makes some mistakes, it makes some changes, and these changes that occur during replication are called mutations. A virus with one or more mutations is called a variant. A parental virus will have its genome as RNA, will undergo mutations during replication, and these mutations are caused by changes in the genetic sequences. Whenever the RNA changes, the strain also will undergo modifications, and as a result of which we have got Alpha, Beta, Gamma, Delta variants around the world now. The most recent one is the Delta variant, which was initially called Indian variant, but it is now called Delta variant by WHO. These are the four important variants that have caused problem all over the world. Alpha, which appeared in UK in September 2020, was the first variant. Beta, which appeared in South Africa in May 2020. Gamma appeared in Brazil in November 2020. The most recent one is Delta, which appeared in India in Maharashtra in October 2020. This is not the end of the story. The coronavirus is going to make changes and is going to undergo mutations in future also. You will get furthermore different variants in the future, which may be more virulent or which may be less virulent. These are the details of the Delta variant, technical details. And one of the most important thing that we should note here is the features. And Delta variant is supposed to be more infectious, more contagious. The changes that are occurring in the virus are causing the changes in the structure of the spike protein. See, it is the spike protein which actually binds to the ACE2 receptor on the human cell. The better it binds to the ACE receptor, the more is the infection. You can see here the earlier viruses, Alpha, Beta, Gamma, had a different spike protein called D614, which was not that much effective and that much infectious. Whereas the Delta variant has a different spike protein called G614, where the magnitude of infection is much more higher. This is called fitness advantage. This spike protein G614, it fits very well into the ACE receptor, thus it is more infectious. This is the structure of the protein, spike protein G614. This is the relaxed condition. This is the condition where it is attaching itself to the ACE receptor. It extends and attaches itself to the ACE receptor on the human cell, and this is why the new variant, that is the Delta variant, is more effective, more contagious and more infectious. Delta variant, most recent and most dangerous. And most of the cases that are reported in UK are of Delta variants as compared to the previous cases. Even in the United States of America also, the number of Delta variant cases is increasing from January 30, 2021 onwards. You can see the rise in the number of cases even in United States. Delta variant is responsible for the severe second wave in India first identified in Maharashtra, and it was earlier said to be variant of interest. Now it is called variant of concern. The alpha variant was noted in Britain to be 70% more infectious than the wild virus. But Delta variant is now 50% more infectious than the alpha variant. They say vaccines are less effective against Delta virus. A single dose of AstraZeneca vaccine provided only 33% efficiency against COVID-19 patients when they are infected by Delta variant. Same vaccine provided 50% efficiency when the people were infected by Alpha variant. That means the vaccine is less effective against Delta variant as compared to the Alpha variant. AstraZeneca and Pfizer vaccine do not provide adequate protection against Delta variant. But 2 doses of these vaccines will give better protection. Delta variant is highly contagious. Health authorities are concerned about this virus because it is more infectious. It spreads faster than the previous variants. In United States and United Kingdom, we now see only Delta variants. For example, in UK, 91% of the new cases are of only Delta variants. And Delta variants are seen in 74 countries according to WHO. It is seen in each and every continent except Antarctica. Vaccines are critical against COVID-19 and they are life-saving any day. You must not postpone a vaccination just because the new variants are coming. You must get our vaccine doses even if someone says that they are less effective. The medical information provided in this video is collected from internet. Viewers are requested to use their own discretion. You can always consult a doctor or a medical practitioner whenever you require a medicine or a treatment. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. We'll meet again in the next video with some other topic. As I mentioned already, COVID-19 is still around. Please take care of yourself. Thank you very much.